Yeah man guys, good morning. Yeah man, today I'm gonna make some nice lovely juice with apple in the year. They don't got jump off a tree and a spoil, so now go get some apple juice with 1 Julie mango or 2 me picking guys, but me eat one and so me I put this in my apple. And right now me have my ginger them, my blender set up already for get them in. Yeah man, so right now I have my cold water pressure and I do some pumpkin rice. So today as you can see this pumpkin now it look dry. So we will see its outcome when it turn out. So guys, when I just stay tuned and watch your one. Man guys, this is the first step of me blend already. This is up on the second. Apple and mango and ginger. So we can try this remedy guys. Yeah man, she blended it and make nice apple, mango and ginger. So we can try this juice and all the while we don't have waste guys, so we just make juice and drink. We can make, and all the while we are going to do it plain and different. I mix up it. So this apple and mango, one me I use because you know mango heavy. Mango and ginger blend up guys, together with the apple and strain it or anything. And ginger blend up your nourish with different root and mix up on your process this brilliant. Yeah man guys, the mango and ginger this blend up, so you see different apple, strain off it, so no it taste it when it cool. Yeah man, and see how it tastes. Although it can work. Because sometimes I don't drink yes, it's on all different type of fruits mixed up here. I wonder if that nice, but you have to taste if you know. You can just look pan and say that they not taste good, you have to taste it. Yeah man, so it may do. We have if we blend up, we just want to say we have a blender and a currant. Yeah man, and sugar if you mix it enough. If you want no sugar to you can make it cool and drink it same way. Because too much sweetness not good. Yeah man, that is it. Yeah man guys, the juice here done apple and mango. Yeah man, me full up 1,876 so at a back me have some in a jug. Yeah man, so me go ahead and show you my cow foot now. Cow foot simmer down guys. Me put him in natural season because me tasty and it's soft. Yeah man, so same time a pumpkin rice and a coconut juice guys, milk. So me season up it and me put in my rice. So me just go and make it go and bubble up. So I just go and stay tuned guys. Yeah man, now watch we are going. Yeah man guys, so pumpkin rice come on lovely and a pumpkin dry too, guys. You see there in the video we can get up and eat red rice. So choose that tradition for Jamaica. Most place I cook. Right 3 weeks people cook rice and peas and chicken. So me have to do something different to cook pumpkin rice and a coconut milk Alberta rice. Yeah man, that is it. So you say come down. It has steam guys. Me check on the cow foot. Yeah, cow foot they like a guys. You know, so cow foot has sitting away sleep up. Gummy. Yeah man. Let's go see it there. Yeah man guys, I don't know a pear come up on tree. Some other fruit to come out and come in, guys. June plum are full up back pan tree. Yeah man, as you can see, full of leaf, and June plum is on it a come up too. Yeah man, so we just there see him, we are going to do what we do. And yeah man guys, I don't go out there in the year. Yeah man, and the place the cane come up back as you can see. Yeah man, so no don't know what aki young a come up on tree. Yeah man, so we there on the banana tree, then they are come up see him way. Them here man. I see it there. Yeah man, nature walk, so you don't know how you think it already they use them here make castor oil. Or put in your ear. I used to them see some man I walk and look some and pick them off if they make castor oil. Yes, so crab is in it.
Yeah, I see them.
Okay, but you can't catch it because...
I see them.
Okay.
I see them.
Is there one more here there, guys? And this tree is the sour orange tree now. But no sour orange no depend it.
But the crab them are come out of them.
Yeah, crab are come out of them, yes, because anytime at night,
Yeah?
the crab them will go walk.
Yeah. Them are go walk.
Yeah, man. So, guys, we just go and stay tuned until we hear the content again. Yeah, man. So, we just big up on a nice, lovely self. We big up whether so big, medium, and small. You know, grown God love you all. Yeah, man. I'm out.
Crab them are come out. When the crab them come out, them are come out.